Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to harvest some fireweed shoots. It's just here they are. I am in very awkward position. I am by my compost bins in my garden, but let's have a look together. These young shoots can be used as asparagus. I'm gonna either steam them or bake them in the oven. I haven't decided yet. And they can grow very tall. If you see this holly tree, so they can grow as tall as the holly tree. So they are really massive. You can see what they look like. And I'm gonna trim these leaves off and just leave the top ones, so it really looks like sort of asparagus shoots. I think I've got plenty now. That will do. What I'm doing now, I'm stripping the leaves off, so it looks like more like asparagus, and I just leave the top ones on, and this is what it looks like. I've got plenty of leaves left, so what I'm gonna do, I think I either steam this or bake it in the oven. I will definitely steam the leaves, and I just see how it turns out. If you've got really excess, what you can do, you can ferment the leaves and make really nice tea. There are plenty of videos online. I think I'm gonna do this later in the year. And if you've got plenty of these, you can also pickle them and enjoy them later in the year. I don't have that many, so I'm not gonna bother about pickling, but this is another suggestion. And later in the year you will see the beautiful flowers. So what you can do, you can make honey, so you can pour honey over them and have really nice infused honey. And when the sticks are much thicker during the year, you can cut it and you can eat the inner bit straight away, or you can use it as a sauce thickener. So this little tiny herb, it's got many uses, so choose whichever suits you. And if you'd like to support small channel like mine, please watch till the end, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, leave me some comments below whether you use this herb, how you use it, is it first time you come across it. I'm really curious to know. Thanks so much. Ta-da! Straight from the oven. And I steamed the remaining leaves and made them part of potato salad. I hope you find this video useful. Please share with your friends and family, spread some love, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe so you will be informed about my future videos. Leave me some comments, let me know how did you find it. Do you like this herb? Do you see it as a weed, or do you see it as a useful medicine now? I'm really curious to know. That's all from me guys, from my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.